Welcome to Solve It, Episode 3. I can solve a join, change, unknown word problem using a part-part whole mat. Let's get started. This is a part-part whole mat. Show a thumbs up if you've ever used a part-part whole mat. Some of you have. That's great, because today we're going to use a part-part whole mat to solve a word problem. Mathematicians use the part-part whole mat to compose and decompose numbers. That's what we're doing today. But first, let's talk about what part, and whole means. Look at this number bond with me. Look at the two bottom parts. There's 5 stars and 3 stars. Those are parts of the number 8. If we put those parts together in the top section, that becomes the whole. So we could say that part plus part equals whole. 5 plus 3 equals 8. Now let's look at it on the part-part whole mat. As you can see, we have our parts 5 and 3 on the mat. If we move them down to the space for the whole number, we can put those two numbers together and make the number 8. So we could say again that 5 plus 3 equals 8. Now that we've seen how to use a part-part whole mat, we will use it to solve this word problem. Listen to this word problem. There were 4 kites at the park. Some more kites came to the park. Now there are 9 kites at the park. How many more kites came to the park? Well, let's think about this for a minute. We started with 4 kites at the park, but then more came to the park, and then there were 9 kites. How many more kites came to the park to make 9 kites? We can solve this on a part-part whole mat. Ready? Let's do it. We'll start with our whole number, which is 9. Because there were 9 total kites at the park. So I put them in the whole spot on the part-part whole mat. Now, what we need to do is put 4 of the kites in the part, because that is how many kites there were at the beginning of our story. There were 4. Now we will move what's left to the other part. And how much is left? Let's count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 kites. Do you see the answer to the question we had at the beginning of our story? Let's go back and read the story problem again. It said there were 4 kites at the park, but some more kites came to the park. Then there were 9 kites at the park. How many more kites came to the park? If you know the answer, show it on your fingers now. How many more kites came to the park to make 9 kites? If you said 5, you're right. We know that 5 and 4 makes 9. The answer was on the part-part whole mat. Great job, mathematicians! Now, let's write a number sentence to show our answer. We can say that 9 take away 4 is 5 kites. Or we could say 9 minus 4 equals 5 kites. We know we didn't really take any kites away, but we would still use subtraction to solve this word problem. That's because we subtracted or took away part from the whole to find the other part. All right, Mathematicians, now it's your turn to solve a word problem. Are you ready? Here's your challenge. There were 3 kids at the park. Some more kids came to the park, and now there are 10 kids at the park. How many more kids came to the park? Use your part whole mat to solve this word problem. Thank you for learning with me today, kindergartners. Bye.